Hi, and welcome back. I am Braden Rogers with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, Iowa, coming to you from 2018 Ford Explorer, which we all know is full of comfort and convenience options. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite options, which is the wireless charging pad. The wireless charging pad is found in the front of the center console, inside the little door there. You simply take your compatible smartphone device and place it right on the charging pad. And voila, it is now charging. And the thing I like about the wireless charging pad is two reasons. One thing is when I'm using my phone in the car, whether it be talking on the phone, receiving calls or text messages, it's still charging my phone as I do that. The other is if I'm streaming music to the vehicle as well. It continues to keep my phone at a full charge while I'm using that phone. And just as a reminder, your phone does have to be compatible with the wireless charging pad. For any other questions on this feature or any others on the 2018 Ford Expedition, you can contact me, Braden Rogers, here at Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Be sure to follow our YouTube page, Bill Caldwell Ford, and have a great day.